welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am super excited because I am here today finally with my August Causebox unboxing. So we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. So unboxings, hauls, try-ons, anything related to makeup. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing. It would make such a big difference for me. I do upload Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. And so let's talk about Causebox. So I am super excited by this. It is a huge box. And for those of you who don't know what Causebox is, it is supposed to be $250 or more worth of socially conscious products for $49.95. Now I will say, for those of you that are new to Causebox, typically there is always a coupon code online that you can look up, or someone who you've watched the video of. I don't have a coupon code, but there's tons of ones out there that you can get it for half price or a little bit more than half price, which really is a great deal. Now let's talk about shipping. For me, shipping is still an issue in my area, and I do not understand why. This box shipped out on the 14th of August, and I just got it today on the 31st. Like literally, they just dropped it at my door. For whatever reason, it was stuck in Atlanta for like ever. I know I'm being a little dramatic, but it was for a long time. So I'm super excited that I finally got it. I've been waiting for it for quite a while. So let's go ahead and jump in and look at what we got. So here is the magazine. This has all of the information on it. And basically their big mission here is to bring that too. Sustainable products to people that are ethically made, that are sourced well, they're not super cheap kind of products. They do also usually include a postcard. So it is really a postcard, but on the front it typically is an art piece with some kind of cool saying. This is spin, point, go. And so we have the earth on, I have that too close, sorry, the earth on a finger spinning around. So cute little artwork, also makes a cute little gift, or you certainly can send it as a postcard because that's what it is. So let's go ahead and jump into the products and see what we got. Super cute that, I don't know if I can get it in the picture, but that their little sealer for the box is an apple with a bite out of it. I'm just gonna rip it up. Sorry, you're gonna hear rip, 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 rip. Oh, so look at this. First product here that we have is the PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. And so it is waterproof. It has soft bristles right here that you can actually scrub in the whatever facial scrub you're using or facial cleaner. It is not one of those rechargeable things. It actually has two AA batteries that you can use to replace. Let's see if I can get this out of the box real quick and show you up close. It does have a battery that's included with it, and look at that. So there's two different sides. This one's bristles, this one's just kind of little waves. This is a great side to use to kind of push your serum in to get it absorb more. This is definitely a nice scrubber side. How stinking cool. I really like that. And then it does come with a clear plastic base that is flat, so you can sit it on your countertop. Super awesome. So that's first product, and I love it. I'll read, I'll just do it right now. So I believe the retail value of that is pretty pricey. Let's see if I can find it here in my little book. So the PMD cleaner is a $99 value. So already, if you've paid $50 for it, the $49.95, you've gotten your money back. I did not pay that. I think I paid $26 or something like that. So super great value. Next product is WYLD. This is a beautiful box with those roses and the details, and this is a facial cleansing sponge infused with French pink clay. Well, that's interesting. It's 100% natural, biodegradable, pH balance, no fragrance, no chemicals, preservative free, cruelty free, and vegan. That's super awesome. Let's check this out and see what it is. Oh, so cool. So it's literally just like a little sponge. It would definitely be an exfoliator. I'm having a hard time talking today. What in the world? It's made from konjac fibers. Super cool. $16 value. So basically it just says to wet a sponge, massage in soft circles with or without the cleanser. Take care on problem areas such as flaky skin, around the T-zone. Rinse thoroughly after use. Press out water. Hang in a well-ventilated area to dry. So it even has its own little hanging thing. One side has a little flower on it. The other side is just flat. I think that's super cool. What a cute little product. Okay. So there we go. $16 value. I think I said that real quick already. Next product that we have is in this bag. It is, oh, it feels funny. Let's see what this is. If I can get it open. Well, that feels super crazy. Oh, how cool. This is a set of silicone stretch lids. I have been dying for a set of these. So this is by ALT Cooking Hub, Alt Cooking Hub, set of 6 silicone stretch lids, $8 value. They are durable, reusable, and leak-free. So you can use this instead of cling wrap. You can just put it right over the bowl. It does say that it is, the lettering is so small I need some light on the subject, sorry. It is food safe, it is dishwasher safe on the top shelf only, it is microwave safe, boiling safe, that's interesting, freezer safe, leak proof, and BPA free. Super, super cool. I love this, have really wanted a set. Again, $8 value, although I think that I would pay much more than $8 for a set of these. Super awesome. Oh, as I drop something again, I always drop something. Next product is Grace and Stella Say Hi to Hydration Hyaluronic Acid. Okay, so I love hyaluronic acid. Grace and Stella is cruelty-free, it is vegan. This serum is supposed to be hyaluronic acid, so hyaluronic acid actually will draw in the water. Certainly you do need some kind of water or moisturizer, but great product. Love hyaluronic acid. I have not been a fan of Grace and Stella products though. I have the under eye masks, I have the full sheet masks, and I hated both of them, hated them. I am not even going to open this up. I have so many serums and hyaluronic acids and other things that I'm trying to use. I will save this for the next giveaway, which I will do when we hit 50. So I'm not even going to undo it. I'm not even going to open it. We know what hyaluronic acid is. We'll leave it just like that. And then my very last, and I will show you a little picture of the bottle right there. That is the Grace and Stella hyaluronic acid bottle. It does look like a really pretty bottle. I'm not saying bad things, even though it sounds like it. Sorry. The last product that I have is a ALTRU is the brand. It comes in a very nice outer case here. I'm sorry for all the noise. And it is a cute straw bag. So it does lay completely flat. It does have a cute little tassel that you would tie on the outside here. And just a very cute, nice, big straw bag. It would be great for going to the beach. It would be great for carrying things to and from work. It does fit right on my shoulder pretty well. I actually really like it. It's cute. It seems very well made. And we're going to jump down here and look at the ALTRU straw bag is $8, and it supports ocean conservation efforts, which I am such a big fan of. So those are the boxes. or that is the box. So here's the products, the bag with the tassels, the PMD cleaner, here's that scrubber, and the hyaluronic acid face serum. I do think it is a great value. I do think that some of the products in here are priced well below what I would expect it to be in stores, or at a really good price for what I would expect it to be at stores, and I love that. I do think that sometimes some other boxes can kind of elevate the prices, but I don't think that that's the case with this box. And like I said, with that PMD cleaner, a $99 value, you've already made and then some the value of this box. So definitely worth it. I do think it's super cute. This is not so much makeup related, I know. There was the hyaluronic acid serum and the PMD cleaner, but really it's kind of a mishmash of different items that they pick. And I think they do a really good job curating the box. Have you guys ever tried Causebox before? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Again, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. My dogs are also enjoying your company. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.